Good afternoon, this is Matt with MSD Curbing. This is a pool deck resurfacing we just got done with. There are 4 different colors in this deck. Started out with a Bombay base, cattail secondary color with a little bit of adobe shading, as you can see in some of the borders here, some out in here, and then a grout line color and a sandstone. If you like this type of look for your pool deck or your driveway, give me a call on my cell, 910-3665, msdcurbing.com, Google+, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Thank you very much.